plots can be effective tools for identifying outliers. To make a rotating plot in DataDesk, click on the rotating plot command in the toolbar. We have data here on roller coasters. Let's look at the speed of the roller coasters, the size of the initial drop that starts the roller coaster going, and the duration of the ride. Nothing appears to be out of line here, but as we rotate, you can see there are two roller coasters that seem to be out of line. I can even push this and let it continue to rotate, and you can see those. If we want to identify them, we'll open up a variable that has the name of the roller coasters and use the question mark tool. This one out here is the Tower of Terror. That was a straight drop down, now decommissioned. But this one here is the Accelerator. That's a roller coaster still in business, and I'd like to know more about it. So now that I've identified it, I can go to the Special menu and perform a web search query. This will search on the name of the roller coaster because I just identified it, and I will find out that the Accelerator is a steel-launched roller coaster. That is, it doesn't rely on the size of the hill for its speed. And that tells me what I needed to know.